So the story doesn't end. Nasai tortoise to na hai ki dai kai hai ki lamjen chen ka di nasai ki the ba dun dum yam bole ram ne nasai ki pol pe ba na pai structure da sama bani na adu bu thinku na kai dong lam chen chen ma tam da ma na phasa ne se mang du mang ko na de adu na thinku na khalle the tortoise did some thinking this time and realized that there is no way he can beat the hare in a race the way it was currently formatted. Chianing ko Theba Thingu Galam Chen Matamda, Theba Duna Pazana Chen Matar, the Kadam, the Thingu and Nambai Sukudrawana. Can you remember? So, see me up since then. Thingu and Kandra Matamdamana Kale. It got for a while, then challenged the hare to another race. Race the Tana Sen Yanare, Theba. Ado Mahadabuti, London Chen begin new say, Man of Books and High. But on a slightly different route. Nahai Kasaki still in a London to the Lekanga Anigo Tana. Lekanga Theba Tengutana, the Theba Chikida. Chumiko? Tengusana, Anomo Plan, Silaka Tana, and the day, might to give you. And that's a Tana. They started off in keeping with his self-made commitment to be consistently fast. The hare took off and ran at top speed until he came to a broad river. Thebaduna ano walang jinja tana mo tanda chile chen mo tanda di lambi na sukchala kung ka race ki lambi da charo ba bukla kano river ama lerame river da lerame kay doni theba sa iro ba hay bra theba iro ba hay ba kana tay no na train tawr ka di khang ko. The hare doesn't know how to swim. Tortoise to the so tortoise can't swim. So now, Thema to the crane to pilot the Kaiduna Kangre, the Namadi, Laiba, River to Gimatai, the Lam, the Adam Kaiduna Malay. Matam Yam Sanja Araga Suicide, tortoise and the Sumagi, capability, my strength Masana Masabu Kanzabadina, Tamna La Kanda, Masagi River to Yore, River to the Kumdare, Adagi, Giroera, Aduga, across the river the Latway, Adugan finally my race is a way. Asigi meaning Roy, as you come on Amara Carino. Yes. Me Kudima, come on to Mamani, me Kudimaki, Haiba Singba, Kangba, Pava Mamba, Punama Kumantaman. We are all different. So you have to understand what you are good at and what you can do. There are things that your friend cannot do what you do. Some of you may be the first rank and second rank in class. That is just academic. Some of you may be very well mannered, who knows how to take care of the house, who knows how to do many things. But the person who is scoring top score in the class may not know it. Habigi after the Nakoi member to the Sun Nakoi school, the pass Abaduna, Mana Pasa hit the Payaba, Danika Johnson Town. Example, Pasamatic Targati, I was never a first rank in my whole life. But today what I have achieved is no less than my friends and classmates. Alright? So the point is, you have to know what is your strength, and based on that you have to work on to compete with the other people, not in the same race where they are going to win, but in the way you're going to win. And the Sigi moral of the story is very high. The moral of the story, first identify your core competency, then change the playing field to suit your core competency. I am also Dr. Roy Hana Torome, level of Dr. Roydre, exam Hare, engineering, so I Kalude, armed forces again, Kalame, Aduba Asagi Mitch Hatabadagi, minus 7.8 over the gi, as you put the operation Toro in the fire, Aduba army officer of the mountain. Palms of Amalitasu, Honorable Lip, the Kraidan of Mukuni, have the Sai Mamma Haikuna. How's it higher Visina? ngamoidaba potta miga challenge tawraga competition tawgani adum pogani adum ngamgadaba nasai field do nasana create tawraga mi du nangina nakta tawro natraga nangna haiba field da maga challenge to you will always win nahoi ge marakta sai sakpa hiba yarom gani pena sakpa hiba yarom be kon phata first aiba role number 1 ta mi do aduga nahaka first time me do a competition tawge hai matam da maga leg to tawra na kan koi fail hoigani adugi mohta na koi competition tawge hai ni sai sak ma tai na sai hai sak competition aduna haibe athadi first identify your core competency then change the playing field to suit your competence so karigumba wa nga me mai tar kidi wa nga ba hibagi thabuk chana ba ma thiraga tawbata lamne chen bai tar ki sien bagina krai to ba haibadi na sana sai strength to halaga krai to bage ke bage aduna story says the loitry the last part of the guy to lor ka na pai lai ba doctor sing na koi doctor ni yaw ga su ang si ko the story na kai hai ni na koi hasi ko di ke nowi mana first tha kai mana second tha kai ai din ta ho tre du tar ke di ai unchi se ang re ma hal ni gai na extreme case da satra kre di suicide to ho yaw because of fail way adu to bahna de adu ko sigi last part se ai samjh laga hairge sigi meaning kai no habu na koi hasi bhavati life ta class ta amana first ta amana second ta ba adu na koi punchi se losele but in life you are not living alone you are living in a society that means you have a friend or family or relative around you yum phasana saraga na phagi thangna baduna ya amo puyum na lai taragadi amo puyum du degi malaria ba laina dala kama puraga ina phula ba imung du sanga na koi sana that means if you are going to survive the whole society needs to be developed aduna nasai ki lamjin chen baduna the baduga namdam ke dawe the baduna ising lamna namdre namdra benina the badule hore adu ising lai da phum khang phan da de the baduna chele ga the baduna namre adu haibe athadi kana gumba miyoi khudumaki magi strength and weakness loina lai the last part of the story is kai highly heta gadi makoi se tongan ai ga nang competition ka wi mohta moi ni pulap team moi na seminar se na hire aduna hojti ngasai ki shape group da ising lai batu chele ahan da chen man tamne ke dore Hare-Tortoise to magi mana ganda pukal laga na chele bane yam yoru kan na makoi ki river de uno tuna la ko tebe do chen na no ne adu river de yoru na tamna ke do yi sai ki tortoise na mo Hare do magi matha to bira kan single la to e adagi mo maha ko no ko ngong ra chele sigi meaning kai no ha ta di life ta na koi na hei ta ga single ta na so na koi na hei ta ko te du nei ne because we are not perfect there will be always something missing on you kari ma thabai ka nasi ki koi na still event chu ai tum da ni ate akoi ki seminary ba koi ki uza sing maya ma garam ki ahlaman maya ma atuba lam de ki la ba ahlaman maya ma pul gi sile na koi na la ta ba tar da di nasi betha tha da koi event chu that means all of us are contributing all right did you agree so what we are trying to say is always think about how you can complement the person next to you. Mana doctor hoikini, mana engineer hoikini, adu mana civil engineer hoiga thong sakbe, mana doctor hoiga na bingbe, amana oza hoiga school talatani. But if you want to live in a society, all of us are important. Aduna saida nasigi wari ano bawan noi tare, then nasigi wari se nakoi koi nasu kau kana bawan no, aduna nakoi na asama-sai daiba skill do khamna na bawa no adu khamma ba matungda nasana adugi skill do kamai na input ta hongani ha do adu khal aduga khal matungda nasagi achawa mi ama ha do koira matungda nakoi ki namana ba nakraga lamdu leiba mi sing do papu kanu then na tom de hingba yaro life da makoi da haiba do adu nakoi da haiba do adu kuchina kana kai to biya all of you understood my story. So today you have learned a new story about the Hare-Tortoise, and do not forget this story for all of your life. All right? So now we'll go to the next panel, the big doctors nakoy na naram matam nam koi da chalo du koi na so fazana yingbigani ko adu amamam makoi se pirage aduga makoi gi maming karke hai khal lage aduga makoi digi makata nam tar si karke hai do ko
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Dr. Nandu. I am an orthopedic surgeon. Do you know orthopedics? Anyone? Manipur State ortho hai bani saru ki doctor hai bani ko saru